Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. First to the face, and you hear the voice. You don't know. A Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. You don't know this thing already. Check out the freestyle. Check out Reach Me, excuse me, and the Instagram and the gaming channel. You don't know. Check out the whole of them, something they show love, show support. You don't know. And today we have Fizzler with FlyStyle. And you don't know. Long time I listen to Fizzler from the Is Pop feature. You see me? Even from you see me, a long time I listen to Fizzler, dog. So yeah, I could jump in it. I was going to sing a song there, but a two-but song I pop up in my head. But big up Fizzler. And you see me, you could jump in it.
Yo, Fizz, flash this shit.
Wait, what did I say?
I swear that's GBE.
Yo, Fizz, flash this shit. No stepping out here, you know it's live. Free man niggas, free Sky and free Bando. Hella gang shit on my side. Look, yo, money made me see better like specs. Now all I want is the bread. If I slide no cards from a ref, I might get charged by the
whoa. Hold on now. We just start the song, Fizz. Hold on, man.
Gang shit on my side. Look, yo, money made me see better like specs. Now all I want is the bread. If I slide no cards from a ref, I might get charged by the Met. We score goals, we don't need no net. Poon in the head, let it beat like Sebs. The cat just ordered grab like Leb. I told him me by the steps. Juice, water, I'm on the corner, so you must think I'm cost cutter. If I jerk, man, that's a cost cutter. And I'll do the work with my cheap cutter.
What are they, man?
The cat just ordered grab like Leb. I told him me by the steps. Juice, water, I'm on the corner, so you must think I'm cost cutter. If I jerk, man, that's a cost cutter. And I'll do the work with my cheap cutter. Chucks double 40 on the jumper. I was in a tee with cats doing numbers. I got the workout like plunges. Leave quick if the cats on nonsense. Me and my driller cruising a dinger. If I see them get loose like Simba. All of these figures I made with my niggas, I'll protect that all.
Get what like Simba?
Cruising a dinger. If I see them get loose like Simba. All of these figures I made with my niggas, I'll protect that all my index finger. And I'm still on tracks like sprinters. I let it pong like look at my fingers.
Oh, still on tracks like sprinters. Oh man. Yeah, Fizzler. Yeah. I do the thing, man. I do the thing.
I'll protect that all my index finger.
Bow.
And I'm still on tracks like sprinters. I let it pong like look at my fingers. And no way can I chill with singers.
I let it pong like look at. Oh my god.
And I'm still on tracks like sprinters. I let it pong like look at my fingers. And no way can I chill with singers. I'll put teeth in your head like fillers. I could've got scouted, but I got round there. No lies, I still make pounds there. The man lost, should I say we
Hola.
I could've got scouted, but I got round there. No lies, I still make pounds there. The man lost, should I say we found there. Bare clowns, how can you claim there? The big nose like Rudolph Reindeer. I'm live, please don't stay there. Babies, open a daycare. I'm about to paint them in Mayfair. All Hatton, the VV's flashing. Retro 5 on some LV fabric. Catting, the sweet one catting. Cabot, you know I'm blowing her back in. Flash straight me the sweet one Zanya. Buying cheese cause I'm blacking. I leave it red like the postman. Don't be home when I bring this package. I still gotta make shit happen.
Red like the postman? Oh man.
I leave it red like the postman. Don't be home when I bring this package. I still gotta make shit happen. Fly this food, it's not clothes I'm packing. Pissed if I make it rapping.
Whoa, what?
I still gotta make shit happen. Fly this food, it's not clothes I'm packing. Pissed if I make it rapping. I'll move silly and sponsor crashing. Feds ask, I don't know what happened. Officer was studio lapping. When King comes out to the bar, he's dabbing. Cause it's my bro, no capping. I dodge a squad, lay him out to get paid. I'm a G, I don't need to be weighed. Lil Fizz never did what Simon says, so why would I start today? Treat the rap like a piece of cake, that's why I get love for my creme brulee. Trap boy getting lit on the stage. Lou said things can't change. We can't get stopped, there's toys on us. Shop for the things like Toys R Us. You know we're lit.
Man, Fizz.
We can't get stopped, there's toys on us. Shop for the things like
Toys R Us.
You know we're lit. Flash straight shit. So the groupies doing all of us. Them man sell dreams, don't buy that stuff. You know they're copying us. They're moving on, but I call it bluff. Them man ain't rolling with us. We can't get stopped, there's toys on us. Shop for the things like Toys R Us. You know we're lit. Flash straight shit. So the groupies doing all of us. Them man sell dreams, don't buy that stuff. You know know they're copying us. They're moving on, but I call it bluff. Them man ain't rolling with us.
Ah, yeah, rolling.
I swear that's
Yeah, rolling. You're not rolling. Fly straight. Fly fucking straight. Yeah. My like it's Fizz. Well done. Hold on. Big up Fizzler with FlyStyle. You understand? Beat sick. Bar sick. We get flows. We get everything. So big up Fizzler for FlyStyle. Yeah, so check a Cogency on a Cogency Reacts channel. So check out the freestyle, check out Reach Me, the IG, and the gaming channel. Yeah, check out all of them something there. I don't know Cogency on a Cogency Reacts channel. And I'm out. Peace.
Yeah. Can't wait the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the 400 quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get roll.